Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the unboxing video of the Poco X3 NFC, a very affordable smartphone which seems to deliver on paper amazing value for money. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, as I said, this is the unboxing video to the Poco X3. I'll be following up this video in the coming days with a full setup video where you'll be able to see how I set up the Poco X3 and how that experience looks. But for now, we'll unpackage the yellow and black, very yellow and black box of the Poco X3. As you can see at the front, they're not subtle about the fact that it is a Poco device and the model number is the X3 NFC. On the bottom, you can see that this is the Poco X3 in blue. I selected blue from Amazon where I purchased this, with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB ROM. On the other side, we see the same branding with easy access to the Google apps you use the most. This is obviously a dig at Huawei, who sadly can't offer that at the moment. And then on the back, just a yellow box. Now, for those of you who have been following the Tech Travel Geeks for a while, you might remember we unboxed the very first Pocophone, or the first Poco smartphone, the Pocophone F1. And this is very reminiscent in terms of packaging of that. Now, the box takes a while to come out. It's obviously airtight, or close to it. And you can see we've got a cardboard slip on the inside with Poco written on it. And I pull that open, and there's a phone underneath. But let's focus on what's in the first package. There's the SIM ejector tool, as expected. There is Poco X3, a user guide, which we'll be sure to read later, and a warranty leaflet, and a case. This is really quite nice of them, and quite common of recent, both Huawei, Honor, and Xiaomi and Poco devices we've unboxed recently. So it's a TPU case with all the appropriate cutouts and nice little cover for the USB Type-C port. And this will definitely make do until I get the other cases I've been ordering online for this device. I've been quite excited about the Poco X3. It offers amazing value for money at around about the £200 price, depending on which model you purchase. So let's take the device out. You'll see Poco X3 NFC has all the branding and all the main specifications on the slip. One of them is the Snapdragon 732G chipset, which is a very new, efficient 8nm chipset, which means that it's very power efficient. It's an Octa-Core chipset, which has a decent graphics processing unit, but the key other feature is that it has a 120Hz display, as well as a 64 megapixel main camera, which will put through its paces, and a nice big chunky 5000 mAh battery. Here you have the Poco X3 NFC, and it's plastic. It's not glass, but it's really nicely detailed. You can see very loud Poco branding there, and a bit of a stripy bit in the middle to give it a bit of highlight. Now, it's not hollow, but it has a bit of give when you push in on it, which is interesting. And then on the side, there's a fingerprint reader power button, very similar to the one we saw on the Redmi Note 9S we unboxed and reviewed earlier this year, as well as a volume rocker. On the left-hand side, there's the SIM tray, which takes 2 SIM cards, and if you want to, it can take a normal SIM, nano SIM, and a micro SD card for storage. And at the top, there is an infrared blaster, which is a feature we really like on Xiaomi devices, microphone hole and a secondary microphone hole. And on the bottom, there is Courage port, that's a 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C for data and power, and more importantly, the speaker. So all is there, and it feels actually quite light for what it is in terms of weight and size. Now what I'm going to do is switch on the screen so you get to see what that 6.67 inch screen looks like. There's the Poco logo, powered by Android. So we'll see what it looks like in a moment. It should have a dotch at the top. So MIUI, this should be running MIUI 12 out of the box, the latest version of MIUI. But until we have a white background, you can't see. There we go. Now we have it. So you can see that we have MIUI 12 on the device. Nice little dotch at the top. And I have to say, it is a very bright screen. It is also something very, very similar to the Redmi Note 9S in terms of ergonomics. If anything, it feels a bit heavier, but that may be because of the quad camera on the back. So there's 4 cameras and an LED flash in this new layout. That main sensor is a 64 megapixel one, and it's paired up with a 13 megapixel ultra-wide one. There's also a 2 megapixel dedicated macro lens, which I'm not very excited about, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor that you hardly ever use. Even when you're doing portrait, a lot of the activity may not be due to that lens. But we'll put the camera through its full paces at the right time. A nice little bit of detailing here. It says 64 megapixel AI super camera designed by Poco. So we'll see how that works out. But the ergonomics feel good, the dotch is not too invasive, and you can see MIUI 12. This is, as far as I'm aware, an LCD screen, it's not AMOLED, but we'll see how it performs in the setup video later on. For now, that was a quick unboxing. Let's just finish that off. There is a charger in the box. Now this is one of the highlights of the Poco X3. So it has a new Xiaomi charger, which outputs at 27 watts or 33 watts. So it is a very fast charger for the Poco X3. And that's something that's very, very useful nowadays. Even with a chunky 5000 mAh battery, which should do most people well more than one day, this power brick, this charger, is a 33 watt charger, and you'll notice that it has a special sort of pinky orange bit in it, and the same with the USB Type A to USB Type C pinky orange charger. We'll have to put that through its paces as well. But this is a UK model, as you can see, it's the UK travel plug. It will be interesting to see how that performs as a whole with the rest of the product. So in the next few days, expect not only this unboxing video to go live, but also we will be doing a full walkthrough of the setup experience. I'll switch this off now and see what the Poco Off logo looks like. We'll be doing a full setup video. I'll be providing some sample videos taken with the cameras, uploaded straight to YouTube Raw, so you get an idea of what that looks like. And then we'll start work on the full review. If you'd like to ask us any questions in the meantime, if you'd like to know anything, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. And if you'd like to see this compared to any of the other devices we've reviewed recently, please do let us know in the comments. Would you like to see this compared to the Redmi Note 9S? Would you like to see it compared to the Nokia 5.3? Just drop us a comment. But for now, thank you for watching, and if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. I'll go away now and allow our Chief Aperture Officer to do his magic with editing this video. But for now, goodbye.